I'll use a little bit of olive oil, just small button mushrooms sliced up. So it's about a cup worth. We get our shallots in there with it. We'll get these mixed around. Start sauteing, get some color. We're good to go. Season up both sides of it. We'll add some oil to the griddle. And let's get these bad boys on, huh? There we go. While we're searing up the underside for about a minute, we're gonna build that crust. Give these steaks a flip. There we go. Some good color on there, baby. Got a cup of cream in there. Gonna add a little nub of butter in with our mushrooms. Gonna just put a couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce in there. Just get that butter melted, get all the onions and mushrooms coated. Both done. I'll try to keep them between medium and medium rare. As they're resting, we're gonna put a pat of butter on there, both of them. Get them resting on a cutting board. We're gonna get our mushrooms and onions mixed in there into the cream. Sprinkle a little parsley in there too. A little cracked black pepper. We're gonna let that cream thicken up a little bit and we'll be ready for our steaks. Should take just the right amount of time. We'll let the steaks rest. We'll get this cream sauce thickened up and get it on. Sauce is coming together, it's thickening up with those mushrooms, the shallots in there, all those good flavors. It'll be a perfect topper for the steak. Mushroom cream sauce on the top. Those nice mushrooms, some shallots, a little parsley, looking nice. Of course, you know, we gotta add a little greenery to it. A little pink, a little medium, looking good. All right, let's cut this up and take a little bite. Done. Got me a nice bite with that mushroom cream sauce. I mean, what's not to love, guys?